coming.
Well, who the hell is that guy?
Well-
It's just the new resident. The crazy one.
Yeah, he's nuts. Always on drugs and alcohol. Don't mind him. He's probably out of it anyway.
Everyone who lives here is fucked up anyway. Fuck him. Let's move on.
Hey, fuck you!
Did you see what the bitch?
I heard that she plunged 7 knives in his chest, and that he's sitting dead in his study room. How crazy is that?
Holy fucking shit.
Could have told you.
So that's what that
It's
smells.
exactly right.
Okay.